You know these little wind-up flashlight things you can buy? You know, so I don't have batteries, just crank them, right? Well, I'm going to try and see if I can charge this one just a little bit faster. That should do it. Oddly enough, this little adapter that was in my toolkit here is the exact same size to fit into there. It's just perfect. This could get dangerous. See how that goes now. Oh, that's scary. Oh, it works. Oh, it's starting to come on. It's working, it's working. Paradox Designs, and that's how to charge your little thing if you get lazy. Oh yeah, P.S. I broke it. That's okay. It was in a pile of garbage anyways. Bye-bye.